Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to make a chart in Microsoft Excel. So let's get into the video. Begin by opening your Excel worksheet containing the data you want to visualize with a chart. Now select the data you want to include in your chart. Navigate to the Insert tab. In the Insert tab where you will find different chart types such as bar, line and pie. Now click on the type of chart that suits your database. With the chart selected, you can customize it by adding titles, labels, and legends to make it informative. You can further format the chart by changing colors, styles, and other design elements. That's for today. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.